Harshad Arora is all set to do a comeback on live focus show Super Cops vs Super Villains. Let's hear from him about his new character. How excited is Harshad to make a comeback on TV after Delhi?
थोड़ा सा एक एक्सपेरिमेंट है. रोमांटिक बॉय इमेज थी पहले, अभी रोमांटिक बॉय भी है, साथ में और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं शो में. काफ़ी सारे स्टंट्स होंगे, काफ़ी सारा सीजी होगा, काफ़ी सारा ग्राफिक्स है और इट्स अ फैंटेसी फिक्शन. बच्चों को और बड़ों को बहुत सबको पसंद आएगा, तो आई एम जस्ट होपिंग व्हेन इट कम्स ऑन पीपल वॉच इट. आई एम प्लेइंग अ सुपर कॉप कम बेसिकली हु एक टाइम ट्रैवल होता है किसी तरह. उनका प्लेन जो है एक जगह पे जाके क्रैश हुआ था जहाँ विच टेक्स देम बैक इनटू द टाइम, और वहाँ पे सब कुछ अलग है. इट्स लाइक एलिस इन वंडरलैंड. मतलब इट्स अ बैड एग्जांपल बट सब कुछ अलग है वहाँ पे. वहाँ के पेड़ अलग हैं, वहाँ के लोग अलग हैं और तरह तरह के क्रीचर्स होते हैं. तो ही इज़ ट्राइंग टू गेट यूज्ड टू दिस एनवायरनमेंट एंड हाउ थिंग्स चेंज फॉर हिम. वहाँ पे कुछ अटैक होता है उस पर विच चेंजेस हिज लाइफ फॉर एवर, और from then he turns into a werewolf and then he falls in love with this princess of that place who is a vampire. So it's a complete fantasy fiction and कैसे दोनों की love story आगे progress होती है उसके बारे में with a lot of obstacles.
Tell us something about your new show.
If you can just look around the set which they have created, is like a jungle setup in the woods and a lot of CG is going to be there. That's the inside area, which is like a room area. So the production designer, the art direction department have done a fabulous job with the set. And there's another set for the vampires, and then we're shooting extensively in different locations. So काफी मजा आ रहा है.
What was the one thing that made Harshad accept the role?
My character, because fortunately I get to have a lot of layers for my character, and you get to do so many things as one character. That's the best thing for an actor to do. So for a guy especially, it's very difficult nowadays to get so many layers, especially when the medium is so women centric, and so you really, I think it's a meaty role for me. फर्क सबसे बड़ा तो ये है जो आप देख रहे हैं. The outfit is different, the background is completely different. That was more in today's time. This is completely, as I said, fantasy fiction है और relatability भी है काफ़ी. थोड़ा सा लॉजिक को आप साइड में रख के देखना जब शो देखोगे, बट द कोर थिंग इज इट्स अ लव स्टोरी एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स अराउंड द लव स्टोरी, सो लॉट ऑफ एक्शन इज देयर एंड yeah, so I just tried to do something apart from romance which is in this show.
Message for fans?
Please watch this show. A lot of people are quite eager about this, and I think you guys will have a great time when you watch it with family. It's a complete family show, and just wait for it. 24th, I think, is the telecast of the first episode, and the promos will be out in another couple of days. Abhi, it's too early. I tried to do something new, so we just started doing it. Thoda time abhi lagega. I'm getting used to the whole action, and the dialogue delivery is slightly different. The way of acting is slightly different because it's the genre is a little different. So let's see. Thoda time lagega, but I'm enjoying it so far. It's a change, and I always welcome change. This is Harshad Arora, and you're watching me on India Forums. Do subscribe on India Forums.
We hope that Harshad, you get many more projects and you become very successful. For more updates on your favorite TV stars, like, share and subscribe to India Forums on YouTube. Addiction at its best. Kajal Mishra, camera person Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.